Are you clean shaven, or you've just started growing a beard and you're wondering, can you rock a beard?
That's right.
Well, in today's episode, we're going to be talking about whether you can rock a beard.
Why don't you just call me Joe?
No, not that kind of rock.
Welcome to the Rock.
Or that kind of rock. Do you know what? Let's talk about it, but let's roll a quick intro. See you in 3 seconds. Welcome back. This is the Table Series where we do weekly videos about different bearding subjects every week, from applying products to what the hell products are, to skincare, to basically anything bearded. And today we're talking about whether you can rock a beard. Now, rocking a beard, kind of a general term, isn't it? But what it means is that, can you pull off a beard? Does it look good on you? Does it suit you? Well, today we're going to talk about it. So, does a beard actually suit you? This is all down to your opinion. Does a beard suit you? Beards suit most people. Have you ever seen a celebrity and thought to yourself, I wonder what he'd look with a beard? And then he grows a beard and you think, wow, that's pretty awesome, right? Jack Black, for instance, didn't grow a beard for years. Kind of had a stubble going, but then he grew a beard. It was awesome.
Do you want me to get naked and start the revolution?
A beard will suit pretty much everyone. I don't think I've seen any celebrity where I thought a beard looks bad on them. Now, you can have self-doubt about your own beard, and certainly there's going to be mornings where you wake up and look in the mirror and you think, wow, my beard kind of looks like garbage. But you get that with head hair too, right? If you use products, brush it, it'll make it look 10 times better. But we all have bad beard days. So just chalk it down to a bad beard day. Get on with your day. So can you actually rock a beard? Everyone can rock a beard. Just give it a try. You don't know if you're going to be able to rock a beard until you grow a beard, right? Do you really want to be there when you're 70, 80, 90-year-old on your deathbed thinking to yourself, you probably won't think this to be fair, but you may pop into your head, wonder what I would have looked like with a beard. How come I lived for so long and never grew a beard? Is that the sort of doubt? I mean, surely growing a beard must be on everybody's bucket list, right? Except for the women, of course. So give it a go. Grow your beard. Watch our other videos to help you out on how to grow your beard. If you need any advice, there are tons of beard groups on Facebook that can help you out. Drop a comment on our YouTube channel. You can find Opie's Beard Co. on pretty much every social media. Just ask us. There are tons of bearded people across the world that you can ask advice from to make sure that you can definitely rock your beard. We want to see you with a beard. Everybody wants to see you with a beard. So it's your job to make sure you're rocking the beard. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.